Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about Python list versus tuple. What is the key difference between Python list and tuples? We will understand one by one. So list and tuples are both sequence data types in Python that store collections of items. However, they have key differences in terms of mutability, performance and uses. We will understand that how it is actually working. So in list and tuples, there is just simple difference, as I already made one video on this, that in list we are basically storing the data in a square bracket, and we are using the tuples in the parentheses. So we will understand one by one, like what is the key difference between list and tuple. So like here's the example of list, like here is the my list, and as I told you that we store the data here in the square bracket. So here you can see that the data is 1 2 3 4, and mutable means when we can make any changes, means in existing list we can make any changes, that means mutable. If we cannot make any changes, then it is called as immutable. So simple, there is a mean. So here like my list 1 2 3 4, and in my list index number 1. So what will be the index number? Index number 1 will be in the place of 2. And here we are appending the element my list dot append. Append means we are adding one more element, and we are removing the data which is 3, right? So what is the output? 1 10 4 5. In this way this output will work. So we will understand this example on Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to again copy this code to save yours time and mine as well. So here like list versus tuple. So list versus tuple, I have created one file .py. So here we will paste the same code here, we'll save and we'll check that what is the output is coming. So you will see that output is 1 10 4 5, because this function is performing like on the place of 1 there is the index number 0, then 1 2 3. So in this way it is actually working. So here we have assigned like the value on the place of index of 1 we have assigned 10, and we are appending one more value like 5, and we are removing the element 3. So that's why the output is 1 10 4 5. Now we will understand about tuple. So in tuple is a immutable. Immutable means we cannot make any changes in the tuple. So in my tuple, like you can see the data there is in parentheses and small bracket, sorry, it's in small bracket, and my tuple of 1 means here we are we want to just modify this value, and we have used as a commented because it's a type error, but we can access element print my tuple 1, then output will be 2. But we can make changes, like you can also see that here is the output my tuple, and we are using the square bracket, so that's why we are only able to make any changes. So tuple supports count and index method as well. So count and the index number, whatever the value will be, it will just come. So this example we will understand on Visual Studio Code. So I have make copy this code and going to make all this code as a comment, and now we will check again what is the output of list of tuple. So here's the output 2 1 2. So how it is working, let me make you understand. Here my tuple 1 2 3 4, right? But if suppose that I will use this one and will save the program, then you will see that here will be the error. Yep, you are getting the error my tuple 1 is equal to, it's a type error. It is saying that tuple object does not support item assignment, so that's why here it is. So I'm going to make this code as a comment, and we'll save again program, and we'll check the what is the output 2 1 2. So how it is coming, like here we are checking first of all the value by tuple of 1 means we are checking the index number of 1, the value is 2, and here we are counting like my tuple dot count 2, right? Means we have started from count 2, so 0 1 2. So when we will start count from 2, then there is a one last value which is 3, so that's why the output is 1. And again my dot tuple dot index of 3, we are accessing the value, so on the place of index 3 here it will be. Okay, I hope you have really well understood about this example. So now we will understand about when to use list versus tuple. So use a list when you need to modify element. If you want to make any changes, you want to modify your list, then it will be very helpful to use a list. And you require dynamic collections. For the dynamic collections we can use list. You need many built-in methods for data manipulation. If you're using lists, you will have to be use it will help you to just for the data manipulations. And when tuple basically needs, you need a fixed read only collections, constant coordinates. If you don't want any changes on the tuple, then any code, then it will be great. And if you want to make better performance in memory efficiency, you need hashable keys for dictionary. If you want to use dictionary, then you will have to be use hashable keys. So in this way we have covered about the list and tuple. So if you really loved this video, so please do thumbs up and do your valuable comment and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a great day.